Let's take a deep breath together and spend a little time, a few minutes in meditation to practice a little waiting, practice a little yearning. If you're comfortable, you can close your outer eyes, or you can leave them open. Maybe lower your gaze, a soft gaze. Keeping in mind that not everyone feels safe by just closing their eyes. To close their eyes and go within can be very scary for people, some people. So in whatever way you have a sense of being present, of being grounded, of being settled, do what works for you. Advent is a time to sit, to wait, to rest, to pause. To turn towards the arriving, not yet here. Ask yourself, what if I were more acquainted with waiting? Not trying to make anything happen, just waiting. Who would I want to wait with through my pain? Who would I want to wait with through my joy? Because we wait, we pause, we stay, we rest for a while. Because we do that, we can know that something is growing, that something is stirring in our collective womb. That something is emerging from our collective stories. What if I were more acquainted with waiting? What if I were more acquainted with waiting? With those ordinary moments of every day. Am I too busy chasing down the extraordinary and missing the time of being with the ordinary, like just passing through a doorway? And if I wait and ponder, I find the deeper treasures. I find the joy in whatever form it comes. We know this last week of Advent is the waiting for the birth. And by waiting, practicing the waiting, not trying to imagine anything or create anything or manifest anything, just waiting. What we discover come Christmas is a deeper and greater light that is joy. That is each one of our lights. There is the communal joy that is created in our collective womb. Being nurtured, being fed, and waiting. So let's take a moment in the quiet and just wait. And as you wait, notice what thoughts come up. Notice the emotions, the physical sensations. Don't change anything, just wait and welcome it all to this Advent altar as we wait in the stillness. Waiting is the language of Advent, because something is arriving, yet not yet here. As you move through the rest of your day and week and into Christmas, use a doorway as an opportunity to pause and wait for however long. Just wait, ponder, listen, and whatever emerges, know that it is all welcome. And in time, the light and the joy emerges with greater brilliance than we could have ever imagined. With greater brilliance than we could ever imagine. And so it is. Amen.